So we continue with the types of beaks and the explanation. Next type of beak we will have is the sharp curved beaks. The birds like the parrots have sharp curved beaks. This helps the birds to crack open and crush the hard nuts and the seeds. So our very common bird is the parrot, having very sharp, and see the figure of the parrot. Its beak is very sharp and it is curved, and because of this type, its structure, it is able to crack, that is crush open the hard nuts and crush it and get the seeds out of it, and also to crush the seeds of it. Next type is the sharp hooked beaks. These beaks are found mostly in the birds like the eagle and the hawk. Birds like the eagle and hawk had sharp hooked beaks. These birds use their beaks to tear and eat the flesh. The eagle and the hawk, they mostly are their beaks are the sharp and hooked ones, and since they are non-vegetarian eating the rats and other small animals, these type of beaks help them to tear and eat the flesh. Next one is the long pointed beaks. The birds like the hummingbird and the sunbird have long thin pointed beaks. The birds reach the nectar in the flower using their beaks. So birds like the hummingbird, a small one, and the sunbird, see the hummingbird over here, a very small bird, but the beak is a long and pointed one. This helps the birds to suck the nectar from the flowers deep into the flowers to suck the nectar. Next one is their sharp long beaks. The birds like the kingfisher and the penguin have long sharp beaks. These birds use their beaks to catch and eat the fish. So the kingfisher we know mostly, see the figure of the kingfisher, we know mostly is a fish eater. From the name of it only says it is a fish eater, so it has to catch the fish from inside the water. For that it has a long sharp beak which it catches the fish and eats the fish. Same is the case with the penguin also. Penguin also catches the fish and with the long sharp beaks. Now we go on to turn to next page, page number 24, where we have the beaks which are broad and flat beaks. The most common example is the duck. The duck is having a flat, broad beak. The birds like the duck and the goose have flat, broad beaks with holes at the edges. With the beaks, they scoop up the muddy water that has worms and insects and small plants. The water flows out through the holes, leaving the food inside. So it's a very interesting fact of the ducks. They have the broad, flat beaks with holes on the sides of the beaks. They scoop, that is, they dig out the muddy water with the worms and the insects and keep it inside the beak. And through the holes, the muddy water goes out, leaving the insects and the small plants and worms inside. The duck eats those. The water flows out through the holes and the food is remained inside, and the duck eats that only.